Okay, so hello everyone, Sarvesh this side, and today in this video we are going to learn about float data type in Python. So in float data type, the main thing is that it refers to a decimal value in normal life, which we can say like 4.1, 1.2, 3.1, and to converting into a float value in Python, we simply use float as a data type, or float data type is already been secured inside Python. We are just using it. So for accessing a float data type, we have to simply take a variable name. It can be anything. I am taking as this this is equals to 4.5, and when we print this, it is executed successfully, and then when we are going to print the type of this 4.5 type of this, then it states that it is a float, it has a float class, or it is a float data type. Float is basically a primitive data type which is already been uh, passed inside the Python files or library. And this is all for this video.